So yun guys. So guys, sasakay tayong taxi. Sasakay tayo ng taxi. Hindi tayo kakabayo. Guys, dyan kami bumaba. Yan ang taxi ginamit namin. So guys, ito na yung Kaindy Lake dito sa Kazakhstan. So ito yung isa sa mga pinupuntahan dito. Hi guys! Welcome to Kaindy Lake. Pwede ka mag-costume diyan or magsuot ka ng traditional dress nila. So guys, ito yung in-order natin yung food. So guys, tara, let's go sa Koltsay Lake. So bababa tayo, maglalakad tayo ng mga 1 kilometer.
Черный каньон. Как вам понравилось? Так завлекает человека прям. На этом So guys, by Black Canyon we finished the part of the canyons for today. We visited Charin Canyon and Black Canyon, and guys, I hope you like everything. I hope you like the parts of the part of the canyons for today, right? Yeah. So right now we are going to visit our next destination, next location. Lake Kayanda, and to visit the Lake Kayanda, at first we need to reach village Sata, and the road to the village Sata will take 1 hour. Okay, during 1 hour we will drive to 4 villages. It will be village Zelenash, village Akayanu-Supekov, village Karabulak, and last village will be the village Sata. When we will reach the village Sata, we will sit in the UAZ cars. UAZ, this is the old Soviet cars. We'll sit in the UAZ cars, and by UAZ cars we'll go to the Kaindy Lake. When you go back to the Kaindy Lake, again in the village Sata, we'll sit in our bus, and by our bus we'll go to the cafe. Okay? Got it? Got it. So when we reach our village, I will start to explain about village and about Kaindy Lake. Okay? Right now guys, you can rest, you can enjoy the beautiful views of Kazakhstan. Right now we are going to the east part of the Kazakhstan, and you can see, you can enjoy, relax. If you want, you can eat something, because next 3.5 hours we won't stop to the cafe. After we will visit Kaindy Lake, after Kaindy Lake we will stop for cafe to have our lunch. Okay, because of this, right now you can eat something to be more energetic in Kaindy Lake. After Kaindy Lake we'll stop in cafe to have our lunch. Okay, got it? Got it. Okay guys, right now I will turn on the music a little bit, and by good mood I will go to the visit Kaindy Lake. Thank you very much for your attention. Спасибо за внимание. Мы с вами проезжаем через поселок Акай-Усупекова, который находится в Киевском регионе Алматинской области. Сам Акай-Усупеков был уроженцем Кши-Жалаша. Раньше вот этот вот поселок называли это великий человек, который изучал не только историю казахского происхождения, но и всю территорию Казахстана, именно центральный Казахстан. А Акай-Усупеков, самый первый поселок, по которому мы должны были с вами приехать, это был поселок Жаланаш. Также находится в Киевском регионе Алматинской области. Раньше был И из-за этого сейчас сам поселок Жаланаш похож на маленький городок. Там вообще древнее имя самого поселка Жаланаш это у нас Жалы и Агаш. Почему Жалы и Агаш? Вообще в переводе с казахского это означает грива и дерево. Почему грива и дерево? Потому что у подножия именно поселка Жаланаш деревья у нас растут в форме гривы коня. Из-за этого раньше называли этот поселок как Жалы Агаш. Но сейчас называют the old Soviet cars. I will ask you to take only your needable things. Your phones, your bag, and your IDs. Because our kind lake located in the border zone. And maybe the policemen, maybe inspectors can check your IDs. But I'm not sure, but maybe. Because of this, if you have your IDs, if you have the picture of your IDs, take them. Okay? It works. It works. After that, by UAC car, we'll go to the Kinda stop station. It will take 30 minutes. After we will reach the Kinda stop station, guys, please wait me there. Won't go anywhere without knowing collection time and collection point. Okay? After you will reach the Kinda stop station, guys, wait me there. Okay? After that, I will tell you our collection point and I will tell you our collection time. And I will explain you how to go to the Kinda Lake. Actually, we have two options. By horse, it will cost 8,000 tenge round trip to go there and go back. To go there 20 minutes, back 20 minutes. Okay? 8,000 tenge. If you take like 10, 15 tourists together, they all will connect the horses and you will all go to like a big caravan. Okay? And by taxi won't drop you near the lake, only the half road. After that 700 meters you need to go down. When you'll be back, you need to go up 700 meters. After that season a taxi. Okay? It will cost 500, maybe 1,000 tenge. Because of this, guys, take all your money with yourself. Okay? Because in Kinda Lake, no network. The connection is not working there. Take your money. Okay? After that, one more option. This is by walk. 2.5 kilometer one road, 2.5 kilometer back road. Overall 5 kilometers. But you'll have really less time in Kinda. Okay? Because of this, guys, I will ask you to choose by horse or by taxi. Okay? After that, we'll visit Kinda Lake, and before 30 minutes, we'll leave Kinda Lake and we will meet in our collection point by our collection time. Okay? So, guys, do you have a question? Was it understandable? Yes? Do you understand everything? Okay, got it. Thank you. Так, уважаемые туристы, на озере Kinda у нас не работает сеть, так что, пожалуйста, возьмите все свои наличные деньги с собой. Yeah, you're looking to see. One more, right? Yes. Раз, два, три, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys. Right now it will be really bad road and it will be like Kazakh safari. Be ready.
guys, nakababa na tayo mula dito sa sinakyan natin. Ito yung sinakyan natin. Ayan. Yan yung sinakyan natin papunta rito. Kasi dito na magsisimula yung trekking o yung sa pagsakay ng kabayo or sa taxi. Ayan. So ayan guys.
Come closer, hurry up, hurry up. Хорошо. Так, ребята, кто на лошадках сейчас? Можете уже идти и садиться на лошадку. In Kayında stop station, okay? Kayında stop station, it will be our collection point, okay? Here, not in a lake, not somewhere else. Our collection point will be right here at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. guys, please don't be late, because if you'll be late, no service here. I can't find you. Because of this, right at 2 o'clock, at right 2 p.m. I will wait you here. Okay, right here, not there somewhere else, right here. Okay, so we have two options to go to the Kayında Lake. By horse, right there, 8,000 boat race to go there and go back. 20 minutes go, 20 minutes back. And taxi right there. Taxi won't drop you near the lake. You will also go down 700 meters when you go back 700 meters. Okay? So guys, right now, who want to go by horse? This is a horse. Yeah, it will be cheaper here. Danny, who is selling. So who by horse? Okay guys, who is going by horse? Follow me. Who wants to go by taxi? You can go right there and sit in a taxi.
So guys, sasakay tayong taxi. So guys, sasakay tayo ng taxi. Nandito na tayo sa loob. Hindi tayo magkakabayo. Guys, diyan kami bumaba. Yan ang taxi ginamit namin. So nakarating na kami rito sa pinaka pagbaba dito sa Kayında Lake. So guys, tara, let's go. Ang ganda rito guys. Grabe yung experience ko sa sasakyan dito, para kang nasa dagat, parang umaalon. Dalawang sasakyan namin puro maalon. So dito meron ding ihian. Ayan no. Ayan guys, pwede kayo umihi dyan. Usually 100 tenge. Ayan. Ayan o, merong ihian. Libre? Libre, may bayad? May bayad, 100. So ayan guys, ito yung lugar oh. Ito yung lugar dito sa Kayında Lake. Ayan. Ayan no, pababa na sila yung mga kasamaan ko. So guys, tara, baba na tayo. Tapos ka lang umihi diyan. So 100 tenge. So ngayon papunta na tayo sa lake, sa Kayında Lake. So yun guys. So I think it's worth it naman puntahan ito, sadyain. Maganda siya, ibang klaseng attraction or very natural. Nasa ano ka, nature. Nasa nature ka. So maganda. Though wala ka sa comfort mo. Kasi nga naglalakad ka, bumpy, iba yung experience dito compared mo sa city. So yun guys. So we need to go back there ng 2 p.m. sa mismong nagbaba namin kanina bago kami mag-taxi. So kailangan 1:30 andyan na kami sa binaba namin ng taxi para maabot namin yung 2 p.m. Kasi kung hindi, iiwan ako ng dalawa. So yun guys. So ito yung mga nakakasalubong namin. Ayan. Malamig guys. Naka windbreak. Malamig guys. Iniwan ko yung jacket ko sa sasakyan. Kasi nga kanina hindi ganong kalamig. Dito sa lugar na to malamig to. Naka windbreaker lang tayo. So tiis-tiis pa. Tapos ang lamig din sa kamay. Hindi ko nadala yung aking guantes. So yun, talaga malamig. So guys, let's go. Puntahan natin ang Kaindi Lake. Puntahan natin. Woo! Ba naman tayo. Kanina paakyat, ngayon pababa. So guys, ito ang view rito oh. Habang naglalakad ka, yan ang makikita mo. Ayan guys oh. Habang naglalakad ka papunta dito sa Kaindi Lake. So hindi lang Kaindi Lake ang makikita ang pinunta mo, kundi yung mga ito. Gaganda mga pine tree. Ayan guys. Oh. Ang gaganda ng puno oh guys, so tingnan nyo. Ayan oh, gaganda ng puno. Oh. Let's go guys. Let's go. Punta tayo sa Kaindi Lake. Kasi kailangan natin na maaga matapos doon para tayo may iwanan. Guys, yan. Yan ang view rito. Yan oh guys oh. May ginagawa na hagdanan. Pero hindi pa siya gawa. Hindi pa siya tapos. So dito tayo sa rough road. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan mo, ang ganda nun oh. Yung Alps na yun oh. Oh. Ang ganda oh. Guys. Guys oh. Super happy to be here. Ang ganda, ayun guys oh. Mountain Alps. Ang ganda. So bababa tayo guys. Ayan. Baba tayo. Gawa na pala yung yung hagdanan ay no. Paakyat. Papunta doon. Doon yan, papunta ron. Yan, gawa na. So yung papunta pwede na dumaan. So let's go guys. So guys, ayun, pumunta tayo doon. Another liko, ayan. So doon tayo bababa. Let's go there. Ayan. Lakad pa. At mararating din natin ang Kaindi Lake. So guys, yung Kaindi Lake, sabi ng tour guide, noong 1911 nagkaroon ng earthquake dito. So dun sa earthquake na yun, nabuo yung parang basin na umagos yung tubig ng Kaindi River, umagos doon, kaya nabuo yung lake. So yun ang sabi dito ng tour guide. I think malapit na tayo guys. Malapit na tayo guys. So ayun no guys, so meron dito hagdanan. Yung kanina nakita natin hagdanan, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung buo na to, parang hindi pa ata kasi may pintura pa oh. Ayan. Ayan guys. So may mga CR din dito guys. Ayun ang katulad ng CR. So kung maiihi kayo, 110 lang. And then sarado yung coffee shop. So guys, ito na. Ito na ang Kaindi Lake. Wow! We made it guys. Andito na tayo sa Kaindi Lake. Ayan guys. Ito mayroong viewing deck dito para tanawin ang Kaindi Lake. Kaindi Lake? Kaindi Lake. Okay, thank you brother.
Where from?
From the Philippines. Yes. The land of the rising sun. I'm okay. I'm mabuti. Yeah. Thank you. Wow! Salamat kuya. Tama ba? Japan. Ay, ano ba? Ay, sorry. Pearl of the Orient pala tayo. Sorry. Sorry guys, ay nakarinig, nakaintindi. Wait lang. So guys, ito na yung Kaindy Lake dito sa Kazakhstan. So ito yung isa sa mga pinupuntahan dito. So ngayon, it's autumn kaya hindi siya nag-yellow. Ayan. Ano kaya yung mga... I see. Mga puno siguro to. Na ano. Kasi nga nabuo siya dahil sa isang earthquake. Ayan guys. So. Ayan. Ayan ang Kaindy Lake. Hi guys. Welcome to Kaindy Lake. See? Oh. It's okay.
Ой, ничего там разницы нету.
Ayan guys.
Nabili si Bupi.
So ito yung viewing deck dito. So pwede ka mag ano rito, mag costume tsaka pa picture sa Agila. Ayan guys. Pwede ka mag costume diyan or magsuot ka ng traditional dress nila. And then pwede ka magpakuha ng picture sa Agila. Ang ganda.
Kasi tiniyaman. Kaya may makambang kami. Time reporter kanin ABS yata.
So guys, ito may pupuntahan pa tayong isang area aside from doon kanina sa viewing deck then meron pa rito isa. So puntahan natin guys. Ayan, medyo mas closer ka sa lake. Ayan. So puntahan natin guys. Let's go. Puntahan natin. Ayan guys, oh. Oh, ayan ang pinaka closer mo sa lake ng Kaindy Lake. Ayan. Ayan guys, so. Oh. So bawal dyan maligo guys. Hindi siya allowed. It's prohibited. Ayan guys, so yan ang mga kasamahan namin dito. Ayan. Ayan guys, ayan oh. Ang ganda ng view. Aside from the lake na nakikita nyo rito, yung mountains dito talaga namang masasabi mo na napakaganda. So mayroon pa doon isang viewing deck doon, no? Doon. Tsaka ito. Ayan. Tsaka ayun, mayroon pa doon isa, oh guys. So ayan, mayroon pa. So 4 ang viewing deck na nakikita ko. And then mayroon ditong upuan o bleacher. Ayan, may bleacher. Ayan. Ayan. So ito yung lugar dito guys. Ayan. And up close tayo sa water. So ayan oh. Ayan guys, ang lake. Kaindy Lake. Ayan. Ayan yung aking mga kaibigan. Ayan, ayan sila oh. Ayan. Ayan sila. Ayan sila. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan. So ayan guys, super happy to be here dito sa Kaindy Lake. So isa siyang magandang pasyalan dito sa Kazakhstan. Malapit lang ito sa Almaty. So ayan guys, ang ganda. Oh, ayun, tatagalog sila. Naiintindihan pala ako. Pasensya na ha. Feeling tayo, feeling vlogger. Ayan guys, meron pala mga Pinoy hindi ko alam. Naiintindihan pala nila ako. Hello! Kaya pala lumilingon. Naiintindihan pala ako nila ate. Ay parang siyang nakikita ko sa TikTok. May lalaking yan.
Ako siya po.
Siya? Okay. Yung tour niya, no? Okay. Nakita ko rin siya sa personal. Ayun siya, guys. So, yan yung nakadilaw na yan. Yung sa TikTok, yung meron siyang parang tours dito. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Ang lamig. Ayan, guys. So, enjoy the moment. Oh. Ayan, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda, oh, guys. Oh, ito. Oh. So, yung panahon ko, guys, itong October. So, hindi siya nag-yellow. Ayan. So guys, tapos na tayo sa Candy Lake. So naglalakad ako ngayon pabalik na roon sa pagbabaan sa amin ng taxi. So kailangan namin makakuha agad ng taxi para makababa kasi ang meet up namin dun sa pinaka dun sa baba is 2 PM. So marami kasi naging stopover nung papunta kami from Black Canyon papunta rito, nag-stop over kami kanina and then sumakay kami sa isang malaking sasakyan, parang bus or coaster. Then after nun, ibinaba kami rito na malapit na sa Candy Lake. So pagbaba namin, nag-take kami ng taxi na sumakay kami, parang mas maliit lang sa sinakyan namin nung una. So 1,000 tenge. And then meron din isang option, yung kabayo. So kabayo naman is 8,000. Balikan na yun. Pero sa taxi kasi one way lang yung 1,000 and then yung isa namang 1,000 uli pabalik. So yun guys. So pabalik na tayo guys. Ayun, may trash bin. Sasakay. Yan, pababa uli. So guys, baba tayo. Aray ko. So ayan guys, nakababa na tayo dito sa taxi. So yung taxi na rito, so 1,000 tenge yung bayad. Kanina nagbayad kami paakyat to 1,000 tenge, pagbaba 1,000 tenge rin. So ayun guys. So let's see kung ano ba natin gawin dito habang nag-aantay pa tayo ng iba nating kasamahan. Kasi ang aming meet up, collection time namin ngayon ay 2 PM. So time check, it's 1:46 in the afternoon. So see you later guys. Guys, tara punta natin sinakyan natin na sasakyan kanina. Ayun, I think yun yung sinakyan natin kanina yan. So meron din ditong meron din kainan o coffee. Ayan. So try ko. Ayan guys. So try natin dun. Tingnan natin kung ano mabibili natin. Ayan guys. And so guys, nakasakay tayo dito sa ating sinakyan mula dun sa drop-off kanina. So tayo rin yung pagkasama namin. Ayan. So ang meet up namin is 2 PM. So it's 1:55 now. Ayan, ito yung sinakyan namin. Ayan.
Right now we already visited Candy Lake It will be in our bus. After that, we'll go to eat. Насладитесь прекрасной природой. Теперь мы с вами едем обратно в поселок Сатэ, чтобы насладиться казахского сафари. И мы нашли кафе. Let's go.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa stopover nung pinakapapunta sa Candy Lake. So dito merong cafe, kakain tayo. So, let's see kung magkano ba makakaya. So local cafe daw ito guys. So doon kami sumakay guys. Doon kami sumakay yan. 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 So guys, tara. Join tayo sa kanila. Yan. Makarelate lang, common denominator. So guys, ito yung in-order natin food. So merong free tea, tapos merong I think this is kimchi. Tapos ito yung aking in-order, chicken. So it's worth 3,500 tenge. So guys, naubos na natin ang ating order na chicken.
На лицах, блин, что свой русский сегодня. Вот, улыбки на лицах, все счастливые, да? Покушали, уже энергии больше стало. Все, сейчас на Касайских озерах будем отрабатывать наши калории. Да? Ой, спасибо. Кстати, у меня сегодня день рождения. Да, наверное, уже все узнали. Я всем говорю, у меня день рождения, у меня день рождения. Да, на день рождения я в туре, потому что я наполняюсь. Когда я... Right.
So,
What happened with food?
Our taste is different, no?
Yeah, our taste is different than Indian one. Indian was really spicy. When I ate Indian food, it was also spicy for me, and I'm like, oh, thank you, I will eat later. But guys, you know, every cuisine have their different taste. Because of this, for you, maybe it can be some different, but for us, it's really tasty. I'm so sorry about that. If I know that I have a Jacob in my tour, I have a Bkhari in my tour, I told them, make it spicy, put some spicy stuff inside, especially for you. But I will give you some spicy stuff later. Not spicy, maybe. Okay, guys. So I hope you like everything. Actually, guys, today is my birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hey, today my birthday.
Happy birthday!
Huh? You too? Also your birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday! I wish all the best for you. I wish all the best. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for traveling with us. Happy birthday, Mina, one more time. Okay, guys. Thank you for me also. So, right now we are going to our next and last destination, to the Korsai Lakes, and the road will take like 25-30 minutes, and after 25-30 minutes we will be right there. Okay? 25 minutes of sitting, after that 1.5 hours of walking. I promise you, it will be adrenaline. It will be good. So, right now I will tell the information in Kazakh. Oh no, in Russian. After that, in English. Так, уважаемые туристы, our Kosa Lakes located near its border with Kyrgyzstan. So the border is only like 10-15 kilometers. Actually, all our 3 lakes, first one, second one, and third one, connected with one path. And if we go with that path to the side of the border, and if we pass the border, we can reach the lake Issyk-Kul, which is located in territory of Kazakhstan. And if you want. Also here we have a horse riding. 1 hour horse riding will cost 10,000 tenge, and they will show you 3 locations. First one is lower Kosa, second one is a waterfall. But actually guys, it's not a waterfall, it's just the pipes. And third one, it's the cave. The depth of that cave, 110 meters. That cave made in a Soviet time by our soldiers to control the level of water of the Kosa Lake. After that, it started to be dangerous to the civilian ones, and after that they closed the cave right now. Right now it's really dangerous to go inside the cave, but if you will take a horse ride, then you can see like just a panoramic here. Actually, here in Kosa Lake we have also the administrative house of our Premier Minister Mohamed Kunaev, but now it has been reconstructed and turned to the hotel for our tourists. The hotel name is Kosa. If you are planning to come here like for 2-3 days, I would suggest you to really stay there because.
So guys, mag-group pick muna kami.
Closer, like one family. Yeah, if you want, you can sit right there in front.
Yeah.
Давайте. 5:20, okay? Right now, please follow me.
So guys, dito kami nag-drop. Dito kami nag-drop off. Dito kami nag-stop over. Ay ng bus namin 'yon, yung Violet. Tapos ito na yung pupuntahan namin, Lake Khalsay. Yung pupuntahan namin. So, ayan sila ang aking mga kasamahan. So guys, tara samahan ninyo ako. So ito guys yung aming kung saan kami nag-stop para sa Khalsay Lake. So guys, tara, let's go sa Khalsay Lake. So bababa tayo, maglalakad tayo ng mga 1 kilometer. So yung pagbaba, mga 15 minutes, and then yung pag-akyat naman, mga 30 minutes. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako. So guys, ayun yung Khalsay Lake, ayun pupuntahan natin. So guys, tingnan niyo yung lugar na to, oh. Sulit yung binayaran nyo rito sa Join Me. Oh, yan ang view rito guys. Oh, ayun ang Khalsay Lake. So doon tayo pupunta, baba tayo rito, mga 1 kilometer yan guys. Yan guys, so tingnan nyo, ang ganda no. Ganda. So guys, tara. Samahan ninyo ako. Let's go. Let's go guys. Punta tayo sa Khalsay Lake. So ayan guys, andito tayo sa Khalsay. So dito yung Khalsay Lake. So tara guys. So baba tayo doon. Nandun ang Khalsay Lake. So sulit guys yung trip na to. It's a 1-day trip dito sa Kazakhstan. Kahapon yung kasamahan ko, sila sa Join Me rin, yung Big Almaty hike. So hindi na tayo ganong ka fit para sa umakyat, kaya hindi ako sumama. Nagstay lang ako sa bahay sa Airbnb. So ito yung aming third day. So sumama, meron akong kasamang trip dito sa kanila sa Charin Canyon, and then the Black Canyon, and then the Kindy Lake, and then itong Colsay Lake. So, dalawang canyon sa magkaibang lugar, and then dalawang lake sa magkaibang lugar din. So, yan guys, andito na tayo. Malapit na, ayun guys, so kitang-kita na yung lake ko. Ang lamig guys. Ang lamig, ang sakit sa palad. Eh, wala akong guwantes. So, anong oras na? 4 o'clock. So, kailan nandun ako ng 5:20? So, ayan guys, malapit na tayo. Oh guys, ayan na. Ayan na ang Colsay Lake. Oh, puntahan talaga siya guys ng mga turista. Ayan. So, ayan, mayroon pang shop dito. Ayan, may mabibilhan. Ayan guys. Ayan, oh. May kainan. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos guys, ayan. Andito na tayo guys. So ayan, may mga viewing deck. Ayan. Ayan, viewing deck. Then ito pa. Then ito pa. So marami siyang viewing deck. Tapos yan guys, makikita nyo yan. So ayan o guys, so. Ayan. Guys, so yan ang Colsay Lake. Oh. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh. Ah, pwede pang bumaba doon. Guys, doon pwedeng bumaba. Yan, pag ganun. Pero sobrang lamig na guys, kaya hindi nakababa. Ah, ayun oh, meron pa doon guys oh. Pwedeng maglakad-lakad hanggang doon, yun. So yan guys, ang Colsay Lake. Thank you.